Hey, it's Wes with Auto Technology Repair. Today we're going to be talking about the Cadillac's Q screens. And what I've got here is the screen that Premium Q Screens is selling on Amazon as an OEM screen. So, a little bit upset about that. Let me show you why here. This is a screen that they're calling an OEM screen. And one thing about the OEM screens is they have a gel between the outer layer and the inner layer. Well, you can see this one does not have the gel layer, so that's not an OEM screen. Also, if you flip this around here, the ribbon cable is not the same OEM material that Cadillac uses, and I'll show you an OEM screen that we sell here in just a second. So aside from that, if we look at the cosmetic part of it, we can see that this little chrome piece is almost like a painted chrome, whereas the OEM one is an actual chrome plate. The windows, the two windows right here, they look decent, but they're not exactly like OEM. So if we want to compare that to the product that we sell on autotechnologyrepair.com, which is the actual OEM screen, you'll see, looking at the front side there, first of all, you got this nice chrome on this item right here, and then we've also got just a little bit different shade on the proximity sensor windows. If we flip this around here, we can see that we've actually got the exact OEM material that Cadillac used on their original screen. And then moving on from there, we've got the two layers with the gel in the middle, as Cadillac had provided in the original one. So if you're looking for an actual OEM screen, we recommend that you visit our site, autotechnologyrepair.com. We've got them on sale right now for $279, and you're not going to find an actual OEM screen for much cheaper than that. Anyhow, so once again, this is what the guys on Amazon are selling, and they're not OEM screens. They may work okay, but you're not purchasing an OEM screen. Once again, autotechnologyrepair.com. We've repaired probably 500 or 600 of these units in the past 3 years. We were actually one of the first companies to do so. So if you like the real deal, autotechnologyrepair.com.